Okay, here we go with the Cardio Rear Lunge. Before starting, watch this video all the way through to fully understand the details of the movement. Proper form and controlled execution are key to both safety and effectiveness. Begin by standing tall with your feet about shoulder width apart. Engage your core and maintain good posture. Step your right leg back into a rear lunge position. Lower your body until your front knee is at about a 90-degree angle and your back knee is just above the ground. From this position, explode upward into a slight jump, bringing your right leg forward to a position about 12 inches in front of your left leg. At the same time, your left leg moves slightly backward. Land softly and immediately transition into another explosive jump, returning to the rear lunge position with your right leg behind you. Keep your core tight and your movements controlled throughout. Continue this sequence for 12 repetitions on one side. Then, switch sides and perform the movement with your left leg stepping back into the rear lunge. This exercise strengthens your quads, hamstrings, glutes, and calves while elevating your heart rate for a cardio boost. Focus on smooth, controlled transitions and avoid letting momentum take over. Each jump should be deliberate and powered by your legs and core. Perform the movement with precision, keeping your knees aligned and your back straight. Remember, form is more important than speed to maximize the benefits and minimize the risk of injury. Get strong.